Guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm gonna show you a little part of a program and explain how it works. In this first tutorial, I'm gonna show this little part right here, and at first we have include stdio.h and stdlib.h2, which are libraries, and they allow us to use functions that are in this library and in this one. And here we have define, and it is used to create some variables which aren't variables. I can say that it is a kind of it's like a const. When you declare const int, for example, it is a value that will not change during our program. And here I'm defining testy, so for I can put just test, define test 1, and here if test equals 1, and the system will execute this part of the code. If test equals 2, it will run this part. Let me show you. If I put 2 and save, it will run this part, and you can see that the color is changed. So I'm gonna just change the names here, and if the option is not here, it will just end, because here we just have 4 tests, which I'm gonna explain you during the classes, if God allows me to do it. And so here we have our main function, and we have a file. Here we have a variable which I'm gonna name it file, and it is a pointer, so it's gonna point to a file. And here I'm gonna put file equals, and then I'm gonna use fopen to open the file aula01.txt and open it in the write mode. So I'm gonna be able to write some text and inside it. And now when I use this variable file, I'm gonna be referring to aula1.txt in the write mode, and it means that I'm not going to be able to read it and execute. I'm just gonna be able to write. So here I'm gonna claim that the function fprintf, so it will write in the file I made. And at first you have to put the file, which is the pointer you have declared. So it can be file or txt, for example, or anything you wanna name it. And at second, you have to put whatever you want to write. In here, as a first class, I'm gonna write hello world, and it will write this string into this file. And after we finish it, you will have to close it, and in this way the file is gonna be saved, and we can provide some type of security, so we'll know that it's not going to have any problem. And at last, I have system pause, which you don't need to use, and I don't recommend you to use, because it just works on Windows. And I'm gonna take it out of here, save, and compile it first. And I'm gonna write GCC, which is the compiler that I'm using, the name of the file, which is main.c, as you can see here, and I'm gonna put the name of the executable file, first program. I'm gonna hit enter, and you can see here that it is created now, and I can run it. So I'm gonna write first program.exe and hit enter, and you can see here that the file which we created is now here. And if you open, you can see the text or the string we wrote, hello world. And one more thing I wanna talk to you is that if you open a file in a write mode and the file already exists, it will write and take out all of the things that it has in this file. For example, if here we have hello world, if I put 1 2 3 4 and save, compile, and execute, it will overwrite wherever you wrote in the file. So you have to take care with it. And if the file is not created, it will create a file for you. So it's this for this class, and if you have any doubt, you can comment here below. And thanks for watching this video.